This is a guide to importing weather data into option C. I've already imported utility data into my project, and now I'm ready to import weather. Click the import icon in the bottom left. Select Weather File Import, then browse for your data file. Specify the temperature unit used in your raw data, then click Next. Click Import, then click OK. Return to the project view to see your imported weather. Imported weather data does not immediately appear in the project tree structure. Instead, it must be assigned. To do so, click the left sidebar and select Weather. All imported weather data in a project is stored here. If we click the New Weather item, we can review the imported data. Weather station details appear in the Weather Information tab. The Weather History tab shows all imported data for our station. Let's return to the project tree structure to assign this data to our site. Click the left sidebar and select Tree View. Now, click on your site. Weather data is assigned to sites in option C. To assign our imported data to this site, click the Weather drop-down menu in the Site Details tab, and then select our imported weather station. The weather data now appears underneath the site in the project tree structure. We can click the weather item for a final review. Future data imported for this station will do so without needing to be reassigned in the tree structure. Rather, the new data will be added to the existing weather station. If a new weather station is ever added to the project, it will be necessary to assign it in the tree structure.